In this tutorial, we are going to learn about sympatric speciation. The other form of speciation other than the allopatric speciation is the sympatric speciation. Sympatric speciation takes place with no geographical barrier, as in the allopatric speciation. Well, a group of the same species could be living in the same place, but in order for speciation to take place, there must exist two populations within that group, and no gene flow occurs between them. So, there should be something that will split or separates these populations, either by ecological separation or behavioral separation. In ecological separation, populations are separated because they live in different environments within the same area. For example, soil pH can differ greatly in different areas. So, soil pH has a major effect on plant growth and flowering. On the other hand, populations are separated because they have different behaviors. For example, they could have differences in feeding, communication, or social behavior. And this is what is meant by sympatric speciation.